Hello, I'm Kristina Amelong from Optimal Health Network, and I want to talk to you about the Adrenal Stress Index test. This is a fabulous non-invasive test that helps you understand the way that stress is affecting your body. It measures 10 markers with 6 hormones that give you information about what's going on with your circadian rhythm, your DHEA levels, whether or not your cortisol is rising in the morning and lower at night. Stress in your life can cause disruption to your cortisol levels and create all sorts of health problems in your energy production, your mood, your ability to sleep, your ability to repair your body, to heal. It can cause autoimmune issues. And so you definitely want to optimize your stress handling system. The Adrenal Stress Index test tests for cortisol, insulin, DHEA, progesterone, gliadin, IgA, and overall how your immune system is doing. One of the great things about the Adrenal Stress Index test is it's non-invasive and painless. You test your saliva over a 24-hour period, so it really gets a full picture of how your body is handling stress. When you order an ASI, an Adrenal Stress Index test, we will mail you the test, and you will carefully follow the instructions and collect all the samples needed. And then you're going to mail the test to the lab, and then the lab will run your test and send us at Optimal Health Network the results. And then we will email you a PDF with your results. And then you fill out our intake form and set up a time for your free 15-minute consultation where I go over the test with you and create a protocol for you to follow. The Adrenal Stress Index test is such a great test for helping you with issues like immune issues, sleep issues, mental health issues, hormonal issues, food sensitivity issues, and many more health problems. So if you think you're struggling with anything to do with stress, do get an Adrenal Stress Index test, and we can help you optimize your health.